Hi there, students. Metaphysical. Metaphysics. What does this mean? Well, metaphysics is a type of philosophy that deals with the nature of reality. It's thinking about things that cannot be measured. It's logic and reasoning that is abstract, or that is speculation about things. So the phrase, "I think, therefore I am," that would be a metaphysical statement. Metaphysics has lots of questions. What is the world around me really like? Because clearly my eyes and my senses give me an indication, but is that real? Or, for example, who am I? Is the I of now exactly the same as the I of now? Are they the same thing? What is love? Why do we perceive time as moving forwards? So metaphysics, it's imagining alternative realities, or thinking about the things that we just can't measure. If I imagine an alternative reality, if I had been born in China, what would my life have been like? Okay, that's an alternative reality. This is metaphysics. What is the mind? In a universe of matter, in a universe of things, what does mind mean? Do I have free will, or is everything pre-programmed? What is the square root of -1? So all of these are metaphysical questions. These are questions that it is impossible for science to answer. Metaphysics is philosophy about things that don't deal with this tangible universe that we can touch. These are abstract ideas, they're intangible, and this is metaphysics. Good and bad, what's the difference? I think they're both metaphysical ideas, because maybe what is good for me is bad for you. So metaphysics, thinking about the reality of the world we live in. What is reality? What is time? So metaphysics, these are things that we think about but cannot be ultimately measured, or maybe just we're not capable of measuring them. I think if we're not capable of measuring them but they can be measured, then maybe they're not metaphysical, but that's a metaphysical statement in itself. So there you go, metaphysics. It comes from Greek meta, beside, next to, after, and then physics, well, the science of physics. So beside physics, other questions about the world or about things, but ones that can't be dealt with by physical sciences. So there you go. That was a metaphysical video. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Metaphysical metaphysics.